Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf support in a cabinet refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door shelf support. There are 4 identical door shelf supports used in this refrigerator. They are located on the freezer door. They support the door shelf bars forming the door shelves. The main reason to replace the door shelf support is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove this shelf support, I would need to use the flat blade screwdriver and press in this tab, and we can pull off the support. Next, I'm going to slide it out. This is the old door shelf support next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install this new door shelf support. I'm going to place it right into this bar and push it in. And now I'm going to press this into the cutout. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.